Welcome back, Crammers, to question 16. Here is a shape P drawn on a grid of squares. On the grid, rotate shape P 180 degrees about the point -3, 2. So -3, 2. This is our point of rotation. Label the new shape Q. Now, when dealing with rotation, it actually maintains its distance. So let's see here. So if we start with this point, if it's 3 to the left and 4 up, it'll still be 3 to the left and 4 up. Note that this only happens when you rotate 180 degrees. If it's more than, it'll still maintain its distance, but it'll just end up farther. Now, we can erase this. We start with the next point, which is 6 to the left and 4 up. So that means it's 6 to the left and 4 up. So we can remove that. The next point is 7 down. So this must be 7 up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. And now for the last point, it will end up here. Notice how the shape is exactly the same. If the height, this part, is 3, this will also be 3. And we label this shape Q. Now, going on to the next question. On the grid, translate shape P by the vector 10/8. So we're dealing with P again. Label the new shape R. Okay, now when dealing with vectors, the top part is the X, so either left or right, and the bottom part is up or down. Now, if it's positive, it's to the right. If it's negative, it's to the left. If it's positive, it's up. If it's negative, it's down. So 10 will start on the horizontal. It's positive. So that means it's 10. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And then 8 is positive, so we go 8 up. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we put a little cross here. But notice how we only translate the shape. That means the shape does not change in any size. It remains the same. So we can actually just draw it exactly as is. If this is 3 down, we can simply write 3 down. If this is 3 across, we can simply write 3 across. And this is 6 across, we can write 6 across. We simply connect the lines, and we write here shape R. Here are triangle T and triangle U drawn on the groove squares. Describe fully the single transformation that maps triangle T onto triangle Q. So we can see that T goes by enlargement by a certain factor. So let's write here enlargement. Now we can actually count the sides of T. So this is 2 and this is 4. So that means 2 times an unknown is equal to 4. If we divide both sides by 2, that means the enlargement is by a factor of 2. So we can write enlargement by a factor of 2. And now we have to write the point at which it enlarges. So we can actually draw lines connecting these. Try to use a ruler if possible. And the point at which they intersect is the point of enlargement. So this point is -3, 3. On the point -3, 3. Thanks for watching. Cram, then scram.